Impossible is just an opinion, nothing else. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 15 interesting facts about that chef who had started his career as a caterer for small kitty parties. Yes, he is no other than Michelin chef Vikas Khanna. So let's start. Number 1. Vikas was born with clubfoot, a condition in which leg bones are not aligned properly at the joint and can look as if they have been turned sideways. Because of this condition, he could not walk until the age of 13. Number 2. He wore special shoes from China to correct his legs. They made him look ugly and kids around him made fun of him. And that's why, to escape the kids and the pain, young Vikas would go to the kitchen to see his grandmother cook delicious food. Number 3. Seeing her grandmother cook food, Vikas developed an interest in the same. Number 4. Inspired by his brother, Vikas first decided to take up engineering, but later dropped the idea owing to his poor mathematical skills. Number 5. At the age of 17, Vikas established a small banquet hall named Lawrence Gardens, putting all of his 15,000 rupees to buy a tandoor, where he served both as an organizer and a caterer for small kitty parties and family functions. Number 6. When he enrolled in a culinary school, he did not know how to speak English to excel in group discussion and personal interview. He cried after the interview. But all was not lost. He went to the dean and convinced him of his love to cook in his Punjabi mix Hindi. They were impressed and he got in. Number 7. After spending a few years as a chef in India, Vikas immigrated to USA. Initially, he struggled to make a mark in US. Despite working as a waiter and gaining the required experience, the chances to enter the kitchen were looking impossible for him. At one point, he made his mind to return to India. Number 8. When he made up his mind to return to India, he heard someone talking about a requirement of 300 portions of any starter. Responding to the requirement, he cooked and took dokla to the specified address of a restaurant. The owner of the place was so impressed by him that he instantly offered the post of executive chef at the Salam Bombay restaurant, New York. Number 9. On 2nd December 2009, he started a restaurant by the name of Junoon in Flariton district of Manhattan. Junoon has been awarded a Michelin star by the Michelin Guide for 5 consecutive years since 2010. Number 10. In May 2012, Vikas cooked for a fundraiser hosted for President Obama at New York. Vikas gifted Obama a 16-kilo cookbook that highlighted the variety of dishes in India. The text in the book is written with gold ink and it cost around Rs 8 lakhs. Number 11. He is the Goodwill Ambassador of the Smile Foundation, a foundation aimed at making people aware about the causes and consequences of malnutrition. Number 12. Vikas once turned down a role offered by the Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar, stating that the culinary field will always be his priority. Number 13. In September 2015, Chef Vikas Khanna unintentionally became a part of a controversy when he asked PM Narendra Modi to autograph the national flag, to which PM obliged gladly. Writing anything on the national flag is considered as a violation of the Indian flag code. Following the controversy, an official statement released by the government banished all such claims by saying that the cloth which PM had signed was a piece of art created by Khanna's physically challenged adopted daughter and was not the national flag. Number 14. He has featured in the Sexiest Man Alive list of the People's Magazine. Also, the New York Eater blog voted him as New York's hottest chef in 2011. Number 15. Even with all this success, he is the most polite person. He refuses any offer to carry his bag and makes sure that he eats with his guests and colleagues together in a restaurant, just like a langar in Punjab. So this was some interesting facts about Michelin chef Vikas Khanna. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.